to Kidz Gala!
In the barn where it's sunny and bright, farm animals stretch with all their might. With a moo and a baa, they bend and play, doing their yoga in a fun, funny way. Cow stands tall, arms up to the sky, swaying like grass as the breeze rolls by. Pig rolls round with a gentle snort, finding calm in each joyful contort. The sheep lifts a leg as proud as can be, balanced like a mountain for all to see. Duck flaps wings and takes a dive, downward dog feeling still alive. Breathing deep, now let it go. Stretch up high, then down real slow.